Welcome to FitbeWell recipes, and today let's beat the scorching heat with these refreshing and tangy watermelon popsicles. Let's quickly prepare our watermelon with a sharp knife. Carefully slice it into two halves and scoop out the red juicy pulp before we transfer it into a blender jar. So here goes the pulp, some fresh mint leaves, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Add some ice cubes if you please. Oops, I went overboard. And here's a teaspoon of chaat masala. Now blend this pulp until you have a smooth and velvety puree like this that you can also relish chilled with a straw. Well, it's time to pour this into the popsicle molds. Let's fill each mold while leaving some space for expansion during freezing. And now into the freezer they go. Allow the popsicles to freeze for at least 4 hours or until completely solid. Voila! Our sweet and tangy watermelon popsicles are now ready to give you a kick-ass summer vibe. So the next time you crave a crazy summer treat, you know what to do. Stay cool, enjoy, and follow me for more such healthy and kid-friendly recipes.